are you?
Welcome. Thank you for coming.
Assalamualaikum, Shafi. How are you? Hello, Assalamualaikum. San what a beautiful. You come, you. How are you? All right. Assalamualaikum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very brightly lit, mashallah. Oh, hello, how are you? Mashallah. Look at that. Look at this. All this sweet. The different type of sweet. You got burger also. I must try this burger. Salara, okay. Mashallah. All right. See, this is a family concern, right? The whole. This is the beauty about the Islamic culture. You see, all the family members, they get together and work together and celebrate together. So that's the beauty of Islamic culture. And also they're from Fiji-Indian, Fiji. Similar culture there as well, right? Yeah, our family gathering. It's very important. Family is very important in our culture. Okay, so I've been waiting for the special food that you mentioned. What is that? Let's have a look.
Special dosa.
What is this? Prawns? Prawns? Dal?
No, fish curry.
Fish curry, beautiful. Potato?
Baked and mixed together.
Look at that. Well, that's not it. We're just beginning.
It's just a start.
For Eid celebration is also Mother's Day, right? So we got so many mothers here, so we have to respect them. It's a special table. Alara has made all these sweets, mashallah. Look at that. Look at that. That's the one. That's Alara there. Okay. So, mashallah. Where's your mom?
Oh, she's coming. She was here all day last night and today. Huh?
Farazana told me there's a special spot in her house, and I said I will really enjoy it, and I found out what it is. It is dosa. All right. Now look at that. Look at that. They made. Where is it? Okay. All right. Okay. Let's. What's that? Italy, right?
Italy.
Not Italy. Italy. Okay. And then there's samba and a sauce, and the sauce there, and the chef Surya is going to prepare the tosa now. Because tosa have to eat very fresh. Okay, where is it? In the tosha here in the game. Tosha. All right. Enna feeling? Potato feeling? Paneer. Paneer. And potato feeling. Rendu podungale. Rendu. You speak Tamil, brother? Oh, you don't. You don't. Hindi. Hindi. I know at that time in Fiji, the older generation, they speak Tamil.
Yeah, some of them,
They came from Malayalam, you know those places.
They must have come from South India.
Yeah, South India. Yes, South India.
My grandparents came from North India.
North India. Oh, that's
Potato வேணுமா இல்ல
potato. பன்னீர் என்ன தீக்குது நல்ல உரப்பா chili சரி என்ன potato potato. So see how we make, look at that. That's a dosa. All right? This gentleman also waiting for dosa. Everybody loves dosa here. This had to be made freshly made. Oh, restaurant ni kya? In the in the Kasturi there.
இல்ல அங்க ஏஸ்ப்ளே
And the Brisbane la. Yeah. You can eat potato? I'll get a plate for you. A special video on this.
Oh, good.
Yeah. I did a show on Tosha Hut 4 years ago.
Oh, right.
About 30 minutes introducing how they're making Tosha. Okay, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Beautiful.
All right, Ramba thanks, huh? Thank you. You have to speak Tamil if you want Tosha. What is this? Another table?
Yes, this is like a kids corner.
And
all the fruits, the healthy stuff is all out here.
all healthy, okay. All the healthy stuff here.
And
No.
yeah.
Well, they're unhealthy and healthy also together.
I'm missing out on this, huh?
Look at this. Said Pasha is here with us.
Yeah.
What have you done to your wife, man? Asking you to do all this stuff?
I'm still trying to work that out.
Look at both husband and wife really enjoy entertainment. They really love entertainment, mashallah.
Inshallah, hope you-
Last time I was here 3 years ago, just before the COVID, right? Yeah. During the COVID, of course, it's not convenient to set up.
And
So
this-
after the COVID,
See?
these are all the relations.
Yeah.
And these are my Facebook pals.
So hopefully we're helping to entertain all the guests.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
How many guests are you expecting tonight?
About 300.
About 300. We got it till midnight.
Okay.
Yeah.
Akil is here. He doesn't need invitation. He can go anywhere. He got open
invitation.
Will it take you, sister, how long will it take you to set up all this food?
All day.
All day.
All day yesterday.
All day, huh? Mashallah, mashallah.
All day
But of
yesterday.
course you had help.
Yeah, I had all my helps, like, you
All
know.
the family and friends.
Yeah.
And you know,
And
when you say
Bobby did-
family and friends,
yeah.
they're in hundreds, not tens,
Yeah,
they're in
yeah.
hundreds. All right. So people from Brisbane will coming over.
Mashallah,
Now it's
yeah.
around 5:30 now. So this will go all the way till midnight. Beyond that also.
Maybe
yeah.
also
Yeah.
beyond
Anyway,
that.
today is Saturday. Tomorrow going to be Sunday. So no
Yeah.
problem, inshallah. So they're celebrating the Eid.
وقالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين.
Come all the way here. They all want. Wow, look at these chairs. Look at the rainbow colors. Alhamdulillah. Mashallah, look nice. Last time I came, you were not here. Especially for the Eid, is it?
Especially for the.
Oh, mashallah. Look very nice. I like it. I'm going to sit down and see whether it's. Oh,
Is it right?
yeah, rained a bit, but it's okay.
It's just sit on it.
Yeah, it's comfortable. Mashallah, mashallah. Comfortable,
You
comfortable.
got to try here, you got to try there.
Yeah, try it, try. And look at this word, Eid, right? That's one of the outstanding in this place today, apart from the food, of course, and the house. This is beautiful, especially done for this occasion. And as you know, 200 to 300 people will turn up today, so it's a highlight. I would say it's a highlight, wasn't it?
Yes, inshallah.
Highlight. Okay, hope the weather remains good.
Yeah.
It rained a bit, but you know, children love to entertain around this area.
Yeah,
Children,
yeah,
good. Guest room. Mashallah, this is the guest room. You know, this is the guest room.
One here.
We enjoyed the meal, the company, and especially the host have done an excellent job. People keep on coming. Now it's only about 7, 8 o'clock, but it will go all the way to 12 or 1 o'clock, isn't it?
Yes.
All right. May Allah bless you for a wonderful gathering. This is a good barakah because everybody get together and enjoy. Of course, mashallah, good food. Alhamdulillah. So thank you very much. Inshallah, you have another big gathering next year.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Okay, assalamu alaikum. Sorry, assalamu alaikum.